Hey guys, my name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to head up to my treasure house, which is where I have my antique booth, Green Onion Vintage. Today is our grand opening tent sale for the new store location, and we have a bunch of stuff to take up there to put up in the tent sale, and then some Christmas items to fill into the booth as well. So I'm going to go load up there and then walk you around for a little bit. Alright, welcome to the My Treasure House Christmas tent sale. We only have one tent this year, which is a lot easier for us to fill up for Christmas time. But because it was so cold and potentially rainy this weekend, we have a lot of our smalls inside and not out in the tent. So it's not quite as full as it's been in past years, but there's still a lot to see out here, especially refinished furniture. So for now, I'm going to let you guys walk around the tent with me and just kind of look at some of the prices and all of the displays we have put together. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to go through my section of the tent and share with you anything that's sold already for me in the last 3.5 weeks since this video is taken, and some of my profit margins if I can remember them off the top of my head. But until then, just enjoy walking around the booth, listening to some music, and then I'll fill you in with all of those numbers towards the end of the video. So this is one section of the Green Onion Vintage stuff that I brought for this tent sale. Everything on the table I've either thrifted or upcycled myself. I know the Peace on Earth sign has sold for $22. The little teapot you're about to see with the Santa face on the front I sold for $14. The candy jar on the left sold for about $8, I want to say. And as far as I'm remembering right now, in the past 3 weeks, I haven't sold the garland yet, but the table that it's sitting on also sold just right after the tent sale for about $100, which was greatly discounted, and my mom is the one who painted that and refinished the top. Now, mostly everything else in the front corner of the tent is also green onion vintage. So this little black piece here, my mom refinished, and she sold it either the first or second day of the tent sale for $149. I think it was the second day of the sale. So that was a great sale for her. And like I said, she sold that black table that I just showed you a minute ago. And then I sold one piece of furniture on the first day, which we'll get to that soon. That tin is sold. These two rolling pins are sold. They were $10 each, and the vintage tin was, I want to say, more like $18. This sifter sold, but I believe it wasn't in the tent sale. I think it was like the day after when it came back into the booth. This wreath is sold. I sold that for about $30. And the sifter that I just showed you, I sold that for $30. So overall for November, our Christmas item sales have been really good, which has been really nice to have. So this piece of furniture did not sell in the tent, but it has sold since then. It's just a little vintage washstand for $160. And I didn't have to repaint that one. That's actually how I mostly bought it. I did clean up the top and restain that. And then I refinished this piece from top to bottom. And as of right now, this is still available in my booth. So it didn't sell yet. And I'm really puzzled why, because it's one of my favorite things I've done in a while. It's like a light sage green with a white wax over the top. So I know it'll sell soon, but it just hasn't met the right person yet. And I'm realizing now that the dry sink that I sold on day one is already picked up and gone. So I'll put up a picture right here so you can see it. So this one sold in one day for $210. I paid about $30 for it and didn't have a ton of cost besides paint. So that was a really nice piece for profit for me. And it's always nice to have those kind of quick turnaround sales like that. And if you guys have not watched my full store tour of my treasure house, I posted that about 2 weeks ago. So I'll have that linked below at the end of the video, so you guys can go through and see. So here's a couple of those takes from that walkthrough so you can see everybody's booth inside the store as well. The store is much larger, so it took me a lot longer to film the full tour this time. But it's a really good, nice Christmassy video, so make sure you go back and see everything else that we have to offer in the shop. And honestly, within the 2 weeks that I have filmed this, the shop has changed so much already because things are just flying out the door, especially the large pieces of furniture. And so everything looks a lot different already. There's always new things to see, so I definitely recommend stopping by my treasure house if you are in the area. And don't forget, you can also order Iron Orchid designs from the My Treasure House website. So lots to offer there as well. And that's going to be it for today's video. I apologize for my voice not being at 100% today. I am definitely getting over some kind of virus. But I hope you enjoyed walking through the Christmas tent sale with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.